Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In lessons 1 and 2, we previously discussed pop-up targeting in general. We will now explore more advanced pop-up targeting and segmentation techniques. Go to the pop-up editor and scroll down to pop-up settings. Here, you will see the targeting option. You will first need to add a condition for targeting. These conditions will allow you to display your pop-up to a targeted segment of site users. By default, this pop-up will be loaded on every page of your site for all users. To target a specific segment of users, add conditions below. Click on the drop-down menu. Generally, you can display the pop-up on all pages. If you would like to display the pop-up on posts, you can also select posts. If you would like to display the pop-up on all posts, select all posts. If you would like to display your pop-up on a specific post, select Post Selected. By selecting this option, you can type the name of the specific post here. This pop-up will then be displayed on that specific post. By clicking the drop-down again, you can also choose Post ID. Enter the post ID to display the pop-up on that specific post. We can also choose the category. You can select the category of the posts. We can also select a tag. Type the name of the tag. You can also target posts by format and blog index. There are also options for pages. If you want to apply this pop-up to all pages, select All Pages. For specific pages, select Pages Selected. The same options for pop-up display apply to pages as posts. This includes page ID. If you created a child page, you can display the pop-up on that page. Enter the name of the page here, select it, and the pop-up will be displayed. If you only want to show it on the parent page, use this option, selecting the appropriate page with a template. There are also WooCommerce options. If you'd like it displayed on all WooCommerce pages, you can use this option. To add it to a specific page, such as the shop page, cart page, checkout page, account page, or an endpoint, choose the corresponding option. There are also media type options. In the Media tab, you can select all media, or you can choose a specific media type by entering the media name here. You can also select using the media ID. Then we have floating elements. You can display the pop-up on all floating elements or for selected floating elements by ID or by element type. You can also use predefined templates. You can display a pop-up on all templates by selecting that option, on selected templates or templates selected by ID, type, or category. There is a product section where you can display the pop-up on product archives, on all products, selected products by entering product names, or on products by ID, type, visibility, category, tags, or class. You can choose the conditions from here and select the specific elements where you want the pop-up to display. You can add more conditions using the or, and functions. If you click the or sign, you can add more conditions. If you apply an or condition, one condition failing will still result in the pop-up showing, provided the other condition is met. If you choose and, it means both conditions must be satisfied. The pop-up will not display if one condition fails. You can add different conditions here by clicking and or. You can apply more conditions and display that pop-up on different elements. By applying conditions here, the pop-up will only appear on mobile screens. If you don't want the pop-up displayed on mobile devices, you can disable this option. The same can be done for tablets. After setting your desired conditions, click Update. By effectively targeting specific user groups, pages, and posts based on device and behavior, and using audience segmentation, we can create highly personalized and relevant pop-ups. That brings our lesson on pop-up targeting to an end. For more helpful tutorials, don't forget to subscribe.